Smart Parcel Locker Installation Method. E. Open the package and use the key in the orange bag to open the access door. Open the second door of the auxiliary cabinet. Locate the black cascading wire from the access door of the secondary cabinet. Pass the cascading wire through the reserved hole on the back of the door you just opened. Finally, connect it with the cascading hole of the lock plate of the main cabinet. If the main cabinet is in the middle, the auxiliary cabinets are on both sides. Forked wires can be used. Open the reserved hole on the back of the cabinet. Pass the signal wire through the reserved hole. Through the reserved hole in the access door. Connect to the interface on the screen. Pass the power cord through the reserved hole on the back of the main cabinet access door. Finally, turn on the power.